How to copy files and folders to Clipboard for pasting on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. Then in here, open up the Samsung folder. Then open My Files. In My Files, I'm going to go back to My Files homepage and then navigate to the folder that has the files and folders that you want to copy to the clipboard. So I'm going to go into Documents. Now touch and hold on one of the items. Then after that, select the files that you want to copy to the clipboard. Then tap on More. Then tap on Copy to Clipboard. After that, you can go to another folder. So here I can go to, say, DSIM folder, and then I can go into one of the folder in here, so Bali Holiday folder. And in here, I can tap on the More button, then tap on Paste here. And because the files are already in here, it asks me, do I want to replace it or rename? So I can choose Rename. And we'll add an additional extension number 1 after the file name if there are similar file names already existed. And that is how you can copy files to the clipboard by simply selecting them. For folders, it is very similar. You select the folder that you want to copy. So in Documents, I can touch and hold on My Folder, then tap on More, and then tap on Copy Clipboard, and then go to another folder where you want to paste it to. And then just tap on Paste. Now say here the destination folder is a subfolder of a source folder. So you cannot paste it into a subfolder, but you can paste it into a different folder. So for example, I can choose My Folder and then tap on Copy to Clipboard. And here I can paste it to outside of that folder. So I can paste it into Documents. And there it is. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.